So Rotation Week is really all about getting people some hands-on experience and some time to focus on emerging technologies.
It's a huge part of our culture of make, which is one of the most important things about Barkley. It allows us to have the freedom to actually not just envision a product or an idea, but to actually bring that to life.
I think the big picture is we're changing the way we work, right? And that's everybody in the agency. And the change is really about having a bent towards action, right? And making things. And that's the whole focus of the Innovation Lab. And so Rotation Week is our chance to take what the Innovation Lab does every day and spread it across the agency in a really interesting way.
You sort of all take on the roles that you do day to day, like the strategist starts doing strategy naturally and the copywriter sort of starts to write, but by the same token, everyone kind of ends up doing everyone else's jobs a little bit too.
You get the briefing on Monday, you demonstrate the prototype on Friday, and in between it's just, chaos and innovation.
We get asked by our clients all the time, what's next? What's next in media consumption and technology? There's such a plethora of technologies coming onto the scene. Our clients are just inundated all the time and really kind of wading through what's going to be impactful to the business versus what isn't. So the real goal of the Innovation Lab is to help our clients predict their future by quite literally inventing it.
One of the things that was pretty cool was just the first day, kind of the idea generation by the whole team together. The lines started to kind of blur between creatives and technical people and account people and planning, and everyone was having technology ideas. And then the thing that was surprising was we can do all of those things.
And I think the outcome speaks for itself. We had 1 week and what we came up with was, I feel like, unbelievable.
I was totally blown away. It really was a great interpretation of the ask and the application of the information we handed over. So really over-delivered on our expectations.